Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all safe and take care of your family friends. Friends, today I am projecting two stock in front of you for the investment purpose. First stock which I put in front of you is Bharti Airtel, friends. So Bharti Airtel has forming a good nice wave formation and given the closing of 522. If you see the current important level in the Bharti Airtel will be a 520, 500 will be a important support for the Bharti in short term, and after that the important level will be a consider for the long term will be a 450. So if you see, I've chosen a weekly chart, and it is same projected in front of you. The Bharti Airtel respecting the wage, and important is a for 21-day moving average, that is a 522. So 550 will be an important support for the important resistance for the Bharti Airtel, that is a 50-day moving average after crossing it and successfully closing. The wage which I put it in front of you friends, the Bharti is respecting same, and most important the weekly hurdle will be a 400 and uh, 445, that is a 21-day moving average. So after closing above it, the Bharti Airtel will be a bullish, and 600 will be a important next target. I am seeing if Bharti Airtel support 500 and 450 level in near future. If you want to invest, take advice of your expert, and then only you need to enter. The long term important support I already told you, that is a 440, friends. So 440 if you considering for long term investment. MACD I projected in front of you is currently bearish crossover. If it converted to bullish, then you need to enter with as per your risk management for the target of 600. Friends, I am projecting a volume chart in front of you for the Bharti. If you see volume trend, that is forming a upside trend. If I consider the moving average of the volume, then moving average trend is on increasing trend. Then that is a clear indications of accumulation from the higher from the bottom side for the Bharti, and considering the project result projection, you can enter. So next important stock with respect to current COVID scenario will be Thyrocare, friends. So Thyrocare chart I am projecting in front of you. Thyrocare has given the closing of 1017, friends. 1017. The weekly chart I am projecting that higher value from Thyrocare will be at 1200, was at 1200 in the recent last week of October, and currently it has tried to give the Bollinger Blast, but it has failed and again come down to 117. The after it closing of above 1100, the level of 1200 will be open for the Thyrocare, and if 1200 successfully crossed by Thyrocare, then there will be a sharp rally which might be able to see up to 1500. So as per me, there is a bullishness in the chart. The important support for the Thyrocare will be a 21-day moving average, and that is of 940. 940 will be important support for Thyrocare, and as per me, there might be a trap from the big players. So you need to consider the rather 900. You need to consider 880 level as an important long-term support. If it sustained above 880, you need to invest in the Thyrocare. for the target of 1200 plus. If you want to enter, you can invest in the 21-day moving average, that is a 940, 950 is a good level of accumulation, and important support will be a 880. I already told you, friends. So if you see this Bollinger Band blast, same possible to happen in next weeks if the situation will remain same for the COVID, because testing will impact ThyroCare business, means positive impact will be seen on ThyroCare. So this is all from my side, friends. If you want to invest, take your expert advisor opinion. This is just my view, what I am projecting. Thank you. Safe